Welcome, my name is Max from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today we're going through the 2 in, 2 out exercise from the ACE home-based maintenance program. The purpose of this exercise is to increase your heart rate and get your cardiovascular system going. So you should probably feel it predominantly in your legs since you're moving your legs with it. I will provide a couple of levels of difficulty for this exercise, so choose one that feels comfortable as a comfortable challenge for you to start. With the 2 in, 2 out exercise, you basically want to imagine a box on the floor, and then you want to move your feet inside and outside the box alternatingly. So right, left, right. And then it's important to always, with all cardio exercises, engage your upper body with it. So as much muscle movement you can get going, the better it is for your cardiovascular system, the more you're working. So we always, if you can see this, want to engage our arms, have them in a 90-degree angle, so don't want them slopping around or something. Strong, engaged 90-degree angle with the. So on the ground it looks like this. So we would imagine our box right here, and then we would step inside that box and out. We go right, left, right, left. If that gets boring, you can also switch it up, left, right. If that is too easy for you, you can just increase the pace and go faster and faster and faster. Important is to please see the disclaimer on the website prior to engaging in any of the exercises. Thank you.